It's Florida spiny lobster season. Let's broil up some lobster tails. Today we're making butter broiled Florida spiny lobster tails. A really simple and quick recipe. So our first step is to remove the meat from these hard shells. And for that, we're gonna use a heavy-duty pair of kitchen shears. We wanna be careful because there are sharp spines on the underneath. So we wanna be very careful as we're doing this. Now I'm also gonna trim a little bit of this tail off because it's a thin part and we don't want it to burn. Once we've got a nice cut on the top of our shell, we can go ahead and open it up with our fingers and the meat will come right on out. And there we have the shell separated from the meat. We're gonna save our shell. We're gonna use this as a little serving dish, and then I'm gonna let it rest right on top of the shell. Our oven is preheated with the broiler at 500 degrees, so it's almost time to get these in the oven. But we wanna season them up just a little bit. So I've got my Florida-made seafood seasoning here, and we're just gonna take just a little bit of this. I've also got a little bit of fresh herb here, a little bit of rosemary and some oregano and some flat leaf parsley. And then we're gonna take plenty of unsalted butter on these lobsters. Now our spiny lobster tails are gonna take about 3 to 7 minutes to cook completely in the oven, but we wanna check them at about 4 minutes and make sure they're not getting overcooked. These look absolutely delicious, and let me tell you, they smell even better. So it's time to go ahead and platter them up so that we can enjoy them. And there we have our butter broiled Florida spiny lobster tails. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.